Hi, my name is Chef Suzy Singh, and today we're creating homemade energy bites that play off the childhood classic, peanut butter and jelly, but we're dressing them up with a healthier alternative, cashew butter and organic golden berries, to make a treat that both adults and kids will love. So let's get started. In a chilled bowl, let's combine cashew butter with our now real food honey roasted pecans, organic rolled oats, golden berries, as well as our Better Stevia cinnamon liquid vanilla drops. Wonderful. Make sure not to overwork the mixture as it will soften. It'll take about 1 to 2 minutes to fully combine the cashew butter. Using a small scoop, roll the mixture into half-inch bites. The dough should be pretty easy to work with, but you want to mix it pretty quickly before the cashew butter starts to warm up. Now we're going to roll the bites in our date sugar until they're evenly coated. Let's place our bites 1 inch apart in a parchment-lined sheet pan and let them set for a minimum of 1 hour in the fridge. You can keep these bites in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. And there you have it. Now you're ready to snack healthy and stay energized this week. Check out our website for other great energy bite recipes.